The ghost. They told you lurking was the smart play. Stay quiet, stay safe, absorb information without exposure. You join the group chat junior year. 37 people you vaguely know from school. The notification badge climbs while you sleep. You wake up to 284 unread messages. You scroll through all of them. Every joke, every argument, every 3 a.m. confession. You know who's dating who before they make it official. You know who failed chemistry before the grades post. You watch Tyler have a breakdown over college rejections at 2:47 a.m. Nobody responds to him for 6 minutes. You don't either. Your finger hovers over the keyboard. You close the app instead. Wednesday afternoon, someone asks if anyone wants to grab food. 12 people respond within 30 seconds. You read it. You don't answer. Friday night, they're making plans. Someone says, "Who's even in this chat anymore?" Someone else says, "Probably just ghosts at this point." They laugh. You read that too. You're holding the phone 6 inches from your face in the dark. The spammer. You send 17 messages in 40 seconds. Each one a single word or half a thought. Guys. Listen, okay, so basically, what if? Hear me out. What if the chat moves too fast for your brain, so you make it move at your speed instead. Notifications explode. People react with the annoyed emoji. You keep going. You're not actually saying anything. You're just making noise so you're not forgotten. It works until someone mutes you. Then it works on nobody, the clown. You send the meme before anyone finishes their sentence. Someone's talking about their grandma dying. You wait exactly 4 messages. Then you drop a poorly timed GIF. The conversation stops. Nobody laughs. You send another one. This time someone sends back. You count that as a win. Your camera roll is 90% screenshots from Twitter. Reaction images organized by emotion. You have a folder just for awkward silence breakers. You deploy them constantly. Tuesday, someone asks a genuine question about the homework. You respond with a SpongeBob screenshot. 3 people laugh. The question never gets answered. Thursday, you realize you don't know how to talk without hiding behind jokes. You don't examine that thought further. The philosopher. It's 1:38 a.m. on a school night. Someone mentioned free will in passing. You type for 6 minutes straight. No paragraph breaks. Just a wall of text about determinism and the illusion of choice. You cite philosophers you half remember from a YouTube video. You ask if anyone's truly happy or just biologically programmed to seek dopamine. The chat goes silent. Someone sends, "Sir, this is a Wendy's." You send 3 more paragraphs. You don't sleep until 3 a.m. You do this every week. Nobody asked you to. Nobody wants you to. You can't stop. The drama king. Someone says your idea for the group project is mid. That's all they said. You screenshot it. You send it to your private chat with Taylor. You add context that didn't exist. You say they've been weird with you for weeks. Taylor agrees because Taylor always agrees. You return to the main chat. You type a paragraph about respect and communication. You make it about principles, about patterns of behavior. The person who called your idea mid says, "Bro, what?" You double down. By Sunday, there are 2 separate group chats. You're in both. You cause this. You feel alive. The annoying one. The chat has a pinned message with all the info. You ask the question that's answered in the pin. Someone points this out. You say you didn't see it. You saw it. You just want someone to talk to you directly. Monday morning, you ask what the homework was. It's in the class website. It's been there since Friday. You know this. You ask anyway. Someone answers. You thank them. You feel acknowledged for 8 seconds. Tuesday, you ask what time the event is. It's in the calendar invite sent to everyone. You ask anyway. This time, nobody answers. You ask again. Still nothing. You realize you become background noise. The question designed to be ignored. The grammar police. Someone types, "You're wrong." You screenshot it. You circle the error. You post it back. Nobody cares. You do it anyway. The chat continues without acknowledging you. Someone types, "Could've." Your eye twitches. You type, "Could have." They react with the middle finger emoji. You feel morally superior and socially rejected. Both feelings are accurate. You do this for 2 years. You think you're helping. You're not helping. The truth. The moderators never moderate. They made the chat, then disappeared. The rules in the description mean nothing. The ghost will never speak. The spammer will never condense. The clown will never be serious. The philosopher will never sleep. The drama king will never let things go. The annoying one will never check the pins. The grammar police will never be invited to parties. You survive the group chat, not by winning, not by being liked, not by contributing anything meaningful. You survive by showing up, by refreshing, by watching the notification badge climb, by participating in the strange performance of digital connection. The chat isn't a community, it's a habit, and you keep opening it every single day. That's not victory, that's just what you do now.